I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your R4 card for the DS Lite. First, gather your essential components: an R4 card, a Nintendo DS Lite console, and a microSD card. You will also need a computer equipped with an SD card reader. Before proceeding, make sure your microSD card is formatted to FAT32. This specific format ensures proper recognition and functionality with your R4 card and DS Lite system. Next, you will prepare your microSD card. Begin by downloading the appropriate R4 kernel files. These files are crucial for the R4 card to function correctly. Once downloaded, extract all the contents directly to the root directory of your microSD card. It is very important not to place these files within any subfolders, as this can prevent the R4 card from booting properly. This step ensures the system can locate the necessary operating files. Now let's add your desired content to the R4 card. Create a new folder on your microSD card and name it something clear like Games or ROMs. Then transfer your game files, which are usually in the NDS format, directly into this newly created folder. For other media such as music or videos, you can create separate, clearly labeled folders to keep everything organized. This structured approach makes finding your content much easier. Finally, it is time to enjoy your R4 card. Gently insert the prepared microSD card into the designated slot on your R4 card. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Then, insert the entire R4 card into slot 1 of your Nintendo DS Lite console. Power on your DS Lite, and you should see an R4 menu icon appear. Select this icon to launch the R4 interface and begin playing your favorite games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.